Yo, what is up YouTube, it's me, your boy whysixriko, and today we are going to show you guys how to make this gradient noise in light motion. This method is flipping easy. It works like a color correction, so you don't need to set the effects one by one for each layer. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? Okay, first thing first, import your raw gradient style edit, or do you just add new layer like this, resize it, stretch the composition area, and make it as attachment layer. Now add an effect called noise on procedural noise, visual standard settings, and then you just need to turn on monochrome and the extremes. And yeah, you just change the blending mode to soft overlay and boom, that's it. Easy. Let's fuck. Yeah. Look. That's it. That's the tutorial. Bye. Yeah, that's it. That's a quick tutorial from me. Hope you all find this helpful. Sorry for the late Merry Christmas for those who celebrate it. Happy New Year for all of you, and see you guys next video. Peace. Love you.